This is how to rename a group in your Microsoft Excel pivot table. I have my group here, Q1 and Q2, where I show the sum of my sales per region. And I would like to change the name of this grouping. Now, the way to do this is quite simple. Click on each individual group and then go to the formula bar, double click and delete what you have there, and then add your new value. In my case, it's winter sales. So once I entered my new name, I'm going to hit enter, and this is going to add it over here. And I'm going to do the same for the second group. Hit enter, and this is my data. And now I'm just simply going to change a value here, hit enter, and refresh the pivot table just to show you that the rename stays. And look at that, everything has been updated and my grouping has stayed the same. So this is how to do it. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, and I'll see you later.